I was so looking forward to doing the first job of the year with the 2038R, and it was fine and it turned out great, but my main focus was going to be the soil pulverizer. I wanted to show you guys it in action, and it just didn't go as planned, and you know what? I should have known better. Those of us that love tractors, you know, in my mind, the top of the heap is Tim and Christy Marks with Tractor Time with Tim. Tim had a video a while ago using the pulverizer in kind of the same situation that I used it in, and I should have known better. Tim had problems, and so did I. So there's nothing wrong with the pulverizer. It is a fantastic attachment. You've got the I-beam with the scarifiers on it, and you've got the rollers. I even have a double roller system. Here's the problem. So the job that I had, the woman had a large depression where a previous septic tank was removed. I had to fill it in and of course feather it into the lawn. That's the problem. So the roller itself has these knobs on it, which is supposed to help to break up soil, and that was the problem. You know, when you're feathering it into the lawn, you're only putting a couple inches of soil as you go further from the site that you're working on. These, as they're rolling down, they go through the soil and they rip up what in essence is thatch from the lawn, and it just makes a mess of the site. So I ended up not using it. I tried adjusting it, keeping the scarifiers and the I-beam up, just using the rollers, then using just one roller. It just wasn't the right application for it, and you'll see what I mean in the video. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. That's how YouTube determines if and when and how often our videos are seen. Welcome back, and let's get to work. So really difficult to show in the video. You know, the camera just doesn't get great depth. But this customer had a septic tank removed and has a rather large depression in the back of the house, and she's found it difficult to cut the lawn. So what we're doing simply is to fill in the depression. As I'm going, I'm trying to compact with the bucket, and towards the end you'll see I'm trying to do a bunch of wheel packing as well. So I'm going to get this leveled out for her and get it ready for seed. You'll see throughout the video the use of the auto throttle. Here as I'm dumping, and then when I go back to the pile, just simply pressing on the accelerator for more speed. going to try to wheel pack this as I go. Otherwise, you'll end up with the same problem. doing this, I'm just floating. Actually, I'm gonna need a little bit of pressure to take those tire marks out. Yeah, that's better. All right, so problem is taken care of. Again, very difficult for you to tell on the before video just how unlevel it was. And she also had me put a little bit over here by the swing set where a stump had been taken out, and she's gonna get some grass seed on all this today.